everyone. In this video I will be telling you about relational data model of DBMS and myself is Ms. Surbhi Saroha. So this is the syllabus part. In this you have three parts, that is relational database, relational algebra, structure query language, that is SQL. SQL I have already discussed in your lab, that is MySQL. In platform you have done the SQL queries, so you must be knowing a lot of many. So talking about relational database, before I move on I want to give you a brief overview. Relation means table and database is collection of data. Okay, so a relation database is a type of database. It uses a structure that allows us to identify and assess data in relations to another piece of data in the database. Often data in a database, relational database, is organized into tables. Tables means rows and columns. So tables can have 100,000, sometimes even million of rows of data. These rows are often called records. So basically in a database the rows are called records and the columns are called tuples. Okay, so tables can also have many columns of data. Columns are labeled with a descriptive name, say age, for example, and have a specific data type. For example, a column called age may have a type of integer denoting the type of data it is meant to hold. Now this is a table of database. So this is name there, age there, and the country name. So in the above table there are three columns, name, age, and country. The name and country column stores string data types and age stores integer data types. You already know that. The set of columns and data types make up the schema of this table. In the previous lecture I've already told you the schema is the heading of the columns. So this is name, age, and country. This is the schema. Okay, and if you fill the entries of their names as well with their required entries like Natalia, 11, Ireland, all these you fill, this becomes the database state. So the name, the set of columns and data types make up the schema of this table. The table also has 4 rows or records, you may say, in it, one each of Natalia, Ned, Zinas, and Laura. What is a relational database management system? Now the definition is, what is RDBMS? Now a relational database management system is a program that allows you to create, update, and administer a relational database. Most relational database management system use SQL language to access the database. So coming to the next topic, that is relational algebra. Now this is a very important topic. One question in exam comes of this. Relational database system are accepted to be equipped with a query language that can assess its users to query the database instance. Instance is that particular object. Okay, there are two kinds of query languages. One is relational algebra and one is relational calculus. So in this I will be discussing relational algebra. So what is relational algebra? Relational algebra is a procedure query language that takes instances of relations as input and yields instance of relation as output. It uses operators to perform queries. An operator can either be unary or binary. Okay, unary means single and binary means double. So they accept relations as their input and yields relation as their output. Relational algebra is performed recursively on a relation, and intermediate results are also considered relations. Now these are some kind of relational algebra queries. So fundamental operations of relational algebra are as follows. One is select and project. Select and project are very important. I will be discussing in details. Then there is a union. Union is just the same as you would do in set theory of maths. So all and set difference is the difference between two, A and B, A minus B. So when you minus from A, B contains, it becomes set difference. Cartesian product is the multiplication, and rename is the renaming of the thing. So coming to the very important topic, that is select operation. Select operation sign is this one, and it selects. Now basically what it does, this is very important, so please listen to it very carefully. It select tuples. Tuples means rows that specify the given predicate from a relation. Notation is notation होता है कि कैसे लिखते हैं ऐसे, ये वाला साइन लगा के, दैट इज सेट ऑपरेशन. एंड पी आर का मतलब है पी टेबल में से आर रो में. ठीक है. वेयर P stands for selection, where this sign select for selection predicate and R stands for relation, टेबल का नाम. P is prepositional logic formula which may use connectors like and, or, and not. These terms may use relational operations like minus equals to, not equals to, greater than equals to, less than, greater than, less than equals to. For example, select operation subject equals to database book. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि सेलेक्ट करना है हमें सब्जेक्ट को कौन से डाटाबेस में से, बुक वाले डाटाबेस में से. So output select tuples from books where subject equals subject is database. तो हमें सेलेक्ट करनी है वो वाली ट्यूपल्स बुक डाटाबेस में से जिसमें सब्जेक्ट क्या है, इसमें सब्जेक्ट है डाटाबेस. सेलेक्ट सब्जेक्ट इक्वल्स टू डाटाबेस एंड प्राइस इक्वल्स टू 450 बुक्स. इसका मतलब है आउटपुट क्या होगा इसका, सेलेक्ट करनी है ट्यूपल्स फ्रॉम बुक्स वेयर सब्जेक्ट इज डाटाबेस एंड प्राइस is 450. Select subject equals to database and price equals to 450 or year greater than 2010 books. इसका select tuples from books where subject is database and price is 450 or those books published after 2010. So that was all about select. Select में आप basically जो चीज़ बोल रहे हो वो सारी आप select करते हो. प्रोजेक्शन में क्या करते हो, और सेलेक्ट में ना आप बेसिकली रोज़ को सेलेक्ट करते हो. ठीक है, प्रोजेक्शन में आप कॉलम्स को सेलेक्ट करते हो. अब ये प्रोजेक्शन ना करेंगे उसमें आप रोज़ को सेलेक्ट करते थे. तो प्रोजेक्ट ऑपरेशन में क्या करते हैं, ये इसका ऑपरेशन है फाई वाला साइन. सो इट्स प्रोजेक्ट कॉलम दैट सेटिस्फाई गिवन प्रेडिकेट. नोशन क्या है, ये कॉलम को बताएगा. प्रोजेक्ट ऑपरेशन A1 A2 AN R, उस टेबल का नाम, वेयर A1 A2 AN आर एट्रीब्यूट्स नेम ऑफ रिलेशन R. एट्रीब्यूट्स कॉलम के नेम को भी बोलते हैं. डुप्लीकेट रोज आर ऑटोमेटिकली एलिमिनेटेड एज रिलेशन इन अ सेट. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रोजेक्ट सब्जेक्ट ऑथर बुक. इसका मतलब है सेलेक्ट एंड प्रोजेक्ट कॉलम्स नेम्ड एज सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑथर्स फ्रॉम रिलेशन बुक. ठीक है, ये दिस इज अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट ऑपरेशन. अब हम आते हैं यूनियन ऑपरेशन में. यूनियन, इट परफॉर्म्स बाइनरी यूनियन बिटवीन टू गिवन रिलेशन एंड इज डिफाइंड एज बाइनरी रिलेशन. आर यूनियन एस मतलब आर की सारी चीज़ें और एस की सारी चीज़ें उस टेबल में आ जाए. तो वेयर आर एंड एस आर ईदर डाटाबेस रिलेशन और रिलेशन रिजल्ट सेट्स टेम्परेरी रिलेशंस. फॉर अ यूनियन ऑपरेशन टू बी वैलिड द फॉलोइंग कंडीशन मस्ट होल्ड. आर एंड एस मस्ट हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स. एट्रीब्यूट्स डोमेन मस्ट बी कंपैरेटिबल. डुप्लीकेट ट्यूपल्स आर ऑटोमेटिकली एलिमिनेटेड. कभी भी यूनियन में डुप्लीकेट ट्यूपल्स नहीं होती हैं, वो एलिमिनेट हो जाती हैं. वही सेट थ्योरी में जो होता था. This is the projection. Project author books for all project author articles. So output project the names of the author who have either written a book or a article or both. Then comes set difference. Set difference होता है वही set theory वाला. The result of set difference operation is tuples which are present in one relation but are not in the second relations. This notion R minus S, to find all the tuples that are present in R but not in S. Project author book minus project author articles. So output provides the name of the authors who have written books but not articles. Cartesian product multiplication होता है, combines information of two different relation into one. Notion क्या है, R into X है, where R and S are relations and their output will be defined as R into S equals to Q. Q R relation का है और T S relation का है. Select author equals to tutorial point books into articles. Output yield a relation which shows all the books and articles written by tutorials point. उसके बाद rename operation है. इसमें the results of relational algebra are also relations with but without any name. The rename operations allows us to rename the output relation. Rename operation is denoted with the Greek letter RO, इस तरीके से P करके PXE, where the result of expression E is saved with name of X. मतलब अब X का नाम जो था वो E हो गया है. ऑपरेशंस और भी हैं हमारे, सेट इन इंटरसेक्शन